Well, when it comes to results of Nowsite technology, just simply getting a proper prospect, and what I do is I just send them an email, pretty short, it's about 60 words or less, just inviting them to watch a free tour. That's about it. Nothing in deep explanation about the company and all that. All I can do is just show you how many hits. When it comes, about a week ago, I started farting around with capture pages, and then I took some off, and I kind of screwed up my momentum down here. But you can see now that I'm strictly focused on AI technology. If you look here, where is it? Right around May 6th. So about 4 or 5 days ago, I started to get serious about Nowsite, because I was more farting around with, it builds a website, and it builds me emails and builds me text messages. I do that myself. I found out that I don't even care about any of that. It is important, but I want people. I want prospects and contacts, and I want a big old Noah's Ark full of people, and we're cruising across the ocean, talking about LiveGood and seeing if there's a whole bunch of people out there on this planet that would like to do it. So you can see, as far as at least hits to the LiveGood website, because right now I'm just doing split testing. I'm doing everything I can to find out what is the best email, what is the best text, what is the best capture page in accordance with LiveGood, because you don't want to blast out like paid leads or AI technology sending a triple whopple crop shit ton, pardon my language, of people to the LiveGood capture page, and somehow it gets you in violation with their policy of not buying leads. Okay, because they recommend sending it to a capture page. Right now, Job Free Revolution with Rob and Nick, they've got a great capture page. And then, of course, Jeff, he's got a great one with Easy Commission. And Ed over in Europe, he's got a cool capture page with his is my favorite. He's got a pretty girl on a boat. So he wins. He's got the coolest capture page. But when it comes down to AI technology, all I can do is show you the results you can see how different these, and I can't make these web hits. I can't like fake these, or I can't, I guess I could call people and go, hey, go to LiveGood and click all around. None of my friends are going to give a rat's ass about doing that. I want to get these numbers where there's 500, and these are not individual people. A web click is different than a web hit, okay? But a web hit could be one person clicking 5 times within the LiveGood website. So let's just take 578, divide that by 5. I mean, there's maybe 100, 125 people snooping around in there. And if you can get 3 to 5 people pre-enrolled, probably 1 or 2 is going to probably take it serious. Now, my goal is to get these numbers up into the thousands, because there's plenty of people that are going to really enjoy working this company. It's just who's out there with the most fishing poles and the best tasty worms on the end of the hook. And right now, the leaders, they're the best at it. If you go, see here on the left, if you go to leaderboard, you can see who's kicking ass and taking names. And it's not by accident. Whatever they're doing, email, posting, TikTok, or just being interesting on YouTube, there's no doubt about it. There's plenty of people joining, and we got well over 280 going on 300,000 affiliates worldwide, only about 50,000 in America. So there's barely 1,000 people in each state even doing LiveGood. So this is the beginning stages of this company. They're probably going to do quite well. They'll be on par with Nu Skin, Herbalife. It's really hard to deny a product that is wholesale, and it's only $9.95 a month. And then you can be an affiliate for only 40. That's really hard to compete with.